Hi, in this lesson, we will see about what is policy manager. Whatever you add into Google Ads, whatever you ask Google to advertise on its inventory, like keywords, ads, assets, videos, images, all these things will be reviewed by Google before it's published. The ads we want to Google to advertise on its platforms will be reviewed by Google Ads policies, whether they are meeting the Google Ads minimum requirements or not. So whenever you add anything into Google Ads, let's see, right? I think you have observed this when we are adding anything new. Let's say, uh, let's add a keyword, okay? Let's add a keyword going into this campaign and going into this ad group. So here I am adding Google Ads advertisement, okay? Google Ads advertisement. Let's see now, save, right? So let's see, where is it? This is the keyword, right? Google Ads advertisement. You see here in the status, it is showing like pending under review. So whenever you add anything new, it will be reviewed by the Google, whether it is meeting with Google Ads policies or not. Okay. So until that is reviewed, your ad won't get live or your keywords won't get live. Even though if it is showing enabled here, it won't go live until they are reviewed. Okay. So when you enable, they will go for review. After a review, they will start showing the ads. You are getting me right? So similarly, for everything, whatever you add into Google Ads, it will be reviewed. Either it is an ad, either it is a keyword, either it is site links, callouts, images, videos, everything will be reviewed. Okay. So let's go into uh, campaigns or ads. Okay. Let's go into ads. You see here the status here, right? So if you add a new uh, ad, if you add a new responsive search ad, after adding, it will go for review. So when it is under review, as I have shown you in the keyword section, it will fall under the review. Okay, like this. You see here. You see here, right? Uh, you see here. This is got approved immediately. You are observing, right? So earlier it was under review. Now it is showing like eligible. So it is up to Google. Sometimes it will take about 1 day for review. Sometimes it will be approved immediately, right? So once the keyword is approved or once the ad is approved, so once your assets or anything you have added is approved, the status will be changed to eligible from the under review, right? First is under review, next is the eligible. So if anything is not met the Google Ads policies, if anything is not in compliance with the Google Ads policies, then those will be disapproved. You are getting me? Those ads or those keywords that are not meeting the Google Ads policies, that are not meeting the Google Ads minimum requirements, will be disapproved. So let's see once. I'm going into ads. If you see here, not eligible. So this is a test campaign that we have created in the previous uh, class, right? When we were discussing about the experiments. So if you see here, this one, eligibility. So this ad, what I have done, I intentionally added some punctuations so that it will be disapproved. You see, I have intentionally added these punctuations so that this ad will be disapproved. You see, it is showing some violation, one policy violation, punctuations and symbols. You can view the details. Why is this error has come? So how we can rectify that error, right? So after you see that the status column, you see here our ad is eligible, but it is limited. Okay, that means our ad is showing in a limited time only. So there are errors, but it is approved. But sometimes what happens, it will be completely disapproved. So how can we go in such cases? So even though Google has disapproved your ads, when you checked your ad, everything is good. You are getting me? Everything is good in your ad, but Google is saying that something is wrong in your ad. How can we peel them? You are getting me? So in order to show this, I have intentionally added these punctuations. Let's see for a good ad once what will it show. So I am selecting it. How to appeal? Okay, I'm showing you how to appeal the ads. So go to edit, and here you see policy decision. When you click on it, nothing will come because this ad is good. So that is why I have created this ad with errors. So when you click on it, go to edit and click on policy, appeal policy decision. That means you are appealing the decision that Google has made for your ad. So I suggest you before appealing this any kind of ad, so you rectify the issue. So once Google says that your ad is disapproved, it will also tell us why your ad is disapproved. Okay, so here if you observe, it is saying limited, and it is also saying the reason why it is limited, punctuations and symbols. We need to rectify those issues. After rectifying those issues, you go to this edit section, or if you hover on this, you can also appeal from here. So you are getting me right? Or if you have multiple ads that are disapproved, in that case, how can you do it? In that case, what you can do, go to filter, and you see here we have disapproved ads. So if you want to take policy decision, policy approval status, in this you can select the disapproved ads. When you select this filter, all the disapproved ads will be selected. Okay, here as there are no disapproved ads, it is not showing, but we can appeal the decision of this one ad. Okay, so that the process is same, right? So I click on this ad, go to edit, appeal policy decision. You see this notification will open once you click on the appeal policy decision. You need to fill, right, dispute decision. So appeal the following, what you want to appeal. So you wanted to appeal ads in this ad group, you wanted to appeal ads in this campaign, or you wanted to appeal all the ads in the account. It is up to you how you want to appeal, but here I wanted to appeal only this ad, okay, present in this ad group. So go here and click on submit. That's it, your ad will be again reviewed by the Google team. Okay, so you can see how the status of your field decision. For it, you have to go to tools, okay, and here troubleshooting. You see here we have policy manager. So here you can view what are the ads that are disapproved, or what are the ads that are limited by the policies of the Google. All those errors you can see here, and in the appeal history you can see the status of the appeals you have made. You see here in the status, it is in appeal, it is in progress. Once the status gets updated, it will be shown here. Sometimes it will be shown like completed, the appeal is successful. Sometimes the status shows like appeal is not successful. That means the ad is still disapproved. Okay, in that cases, what you have to do, you have to create the new ads. We don't have other choice, right? So we can appeal n number of times. Okay, you can appeal the ads how many times you want. It is your wish. There won't be any performance issue. Okay, so I hope you are getting this policy manager. So please note that these policies may vary based on the region you want to publish your ads. Like US might have some different policies, right? UK might have some different policies, EU might have some different policies, also India might have some different policies. With respect to the regions, these policies might vary. So I hope you are getting these policies. So this policy manager is one thing that everyone should be aware of, because so when the ad disapproves, okay, when an ad is limited, so it is your responsibility to let the client know that these ads are not meeting the Google minimum requirements. Okay, so I hope you are getting this policy manager. This is a simple concept, but a very important concept that everyone should be aware of, right? So we will meet in the next lesson.